In this video, I am going to try to simplify these rational exponents if possible, and that we are going to come up with a simple number for each of these whenever it's possible to simplify them. Let's start off with A, which is 121 to the power 1 half, which by the way is square root of 121. Remember, a to the power 1 over n is nth root of a. That's the definition. So 121 to the power 1 half is square root of 121, which by the way is just 11, because 11 times 11 is 121. Now let's do the next problem. B, negative 169 to the power 1 half. Now please don't think that this negative is included in the exponent. It's outside. So we need to put it negative, then square root of 169. 169 is going to be 13 times 13, which is square root of 13 square. So that's going to give me negative square, and square root is going to cancel. That's going to give me negative 13. Now let's do number C. Negative 27 to the power 1/3. This time, however, the negative is under the exponent, which is going to be simplified to the following: 1/3. So again, n is 3 here, so it's going to be cube root of negative 27. So negative 27, by the way, is negative 3 whole cube, because negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Now this cube and cube root are going to cancel. That's going to give me negative 3. Now part D, negative 2 to the power 1 half. Negative is inside the parenthesis. That gives me negative square root of negative 2. Now this, by the way, does not have a real solution. So this cannot be simplified. So we just have to leave it as it is. And lastly, E, negative 64 to the power 1/3. Again, this negative sign is not under the exponent. It's negative 1/3. I mean 1/3 exponent. So now this is going to be negative cube root of 64. Please note, we are always using this definition here, and we are looking for a number that multiplied 3 times with itself is going to give me 64, which by the way easy to find. 4 cube is 64. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Now this cube and cube root are going to cancel. That's going to give you just negative 4. And this is how you would simplify this type of expressions with rational exponents. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.